Hi everyone, if you're watching this video then you're interested in product information on one of my monster banner heat welders powered by Leicester Technology and Edward Segal Grommet machines. Today I'm going to be doing a application with the Grommet machine, what I refer to as split the difference. What in the world does that mean? What that means is I've selected 6 common call print medias typically used in the sign and graphics and billboard business, and I've gone ahead and already done my heat welding applications in my fold-over hems, and today I'm going to be demonstrating one common call machine setting on my Grommet machine to take into account 6 common call banner materials, plus I'm also going to throw some 4mm Coroplast hanging sign applications in there. I'm also going to be throwing some 2-inch webbing applications in there and some polystyrene. To show you the versatility of the machine, when you take the time to set the machine up to split the difference over a variety of common call work. So I'm going to get to work. What I have here are some of my monster stripe files. You all know from my training files, this is 4-inch ribbon stripes. I've already gone ahead and heat welded these here and slit these down. And what I have is 5 common call sheets of material, and I printed each type of material on here. This is 20-ounce backlit, otherwise known as Penaflex. And I'm going to go ahead and start knocking grommets and washers into all these variety of different type of materials, demonstrating the split the difference technique. So let's get right to it. I have here an Edward Segal, what's considered an automatic setting machine that requires the operator to have to hand feed the grommet and washer on each setting cycle. The model number on this grommet machine is called a Edward Segal 3P6. So let's get to work. Oh, I'm using number 3 dies, so I'm using number 3 grommet and washers. So I'm going to get to work. Here we go. I'm going to start setting grommets and washers in different material thickness applications. 20-ounce Panaflex. Knock out one in that. I'll knock out one more. Then I'm going to mix it up and switch materials. Let's get something difficult. This is 7.5-ounce billboard material. You can see that. Nice grommet washer settings. Fully suspended in my fold-over hems. All right, mix it up. I'm going to switch over to a material I use a lot in my shop. I use a lot of 18-ounce block out in my outdoor festival work that I do. Look at that. Nice grommet and washer settings. Fully suspended in a fold-over hem. No free play in the grommets. And even going back to that 7.5-ounce billboard material, look at this. No free play in that grommet setting, in that fold-over hem. I'm going to switch to good old reliable 13-ounce frontlet. Look at that. Nice grommet and washer settings. Now I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to jump right into hanging sign applications. For this application, you're going to be using good old reliable 4mm Coroplast. Look at that. Nice grommet setting. Grommet and washers are completely tight, no free spinning, little to no towing in of the Coroplast edges. Set another one for you. Go ahead and set one in the corner for you. Look at that. Nice grommet and washer settings. Not crushing in the material. Another application that I do with this grommet machine is sometimes I make some low-end signs for trade shows and outdoor festivals. It does not require setting a grommet and washer. It's a, we call them booth signs or exhibitor signs. So oftentimes I'll just punch holes in here. So I'm just going to show you hole punching applications. Like I said, I'm not going to look at nice profile, not crushing the coroplast. Just going to be knocking in hanging holes. Going to mix it up a little bit. All right, going to mix it up. Now I'm going to switch to 9-ounce fence mesh material that I've gone ahead and put a 2-inch webbing that I've heat welded the webbing onto. I'm going to set grommets in this. Look at how nice that sets a grommet and a washer in this webbing. Fully suspended in that fold over hem. No free spin on that material, on mesh material. I'm going to switch it out to 18-ounce block out banner material with that 2-inch webbing. And look at the quality of the grommet setting on that. Fully suspended in a fold over hem. No free play at all going right through that webbing. Switch it up to another application. Good old reliable 7mm polystyrene. I use a lot of this for hanging signs. Look at that. Nice grommet and washer settings in that polystyrene. Not crushing the material. Grommet and washer tight, fully suspended in that fold over. Going to get back to hanging signs. Once again, 4mm coroplast. I make a lot of what I call tent headers for outdoor event graphics. This is a 1 foot by 4 foot tent header on 4mm coroplast. And look at that. Nice grommet and washer settings in that. Nice and tight. All right, I'm going to mix it up. We're going to do the last application here, which is 9-ounce PVC fence mesh material without any webbing in the hem. Nice grommet and washer settings in that. Fully suspended in that fold over hem. Grommet and washers are nice and tight. In any event, that is my presentation on what I refer to as splitting the difference with your grommet machine settings. So, thank you for watching the video. My name is Bob Miller. I'm located in Charlotte, North Carolina. I am an authorized sales rep for the entire product line of all the automatic setting machines manufactured by Edward Segal Grommet Machines, which are located in Connecticut. If you're looking for me, that's the phone number. I'm located in Charlotte, North Carolina. That's East Coast time. And thank you for watching my video presentation on grommet machine settings of what I refer to as split the difference. And that's a wrap.